Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster day today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume by far this chart has had in quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above the $2.60 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after $2.60 down here at the $2.20 mark. So $2.60, $2.20 near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just care about the grand scheme of it all. I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the current movement. This right here being defined as the current move. So in order to do that, just keep an eye on that purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays up above it, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above $2.60 or $2.20, that would be best. But at the end of the day, assuming you care about the grand view of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's control. Now, what about areas of resistance? What I'm going to do is kind of split the difference because, yeah, you had a high right there. You had that high way up there. And then you kind of had one that was in between both of them. So if you want to call it one of these other ones, you know, I wouldn't argue against that. I'm just trying to kind of convey the point that, yeah, the main point of price congestion right up around here. So 325 is public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But anyway, slice it. Very, very nice day today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.